Hello students, in today's session we shall discuss the question paper of July monthly test which was conducted on 10th July 2021. First section is of 1 mark. First question is, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Let me consider one of the number to be x, then the other number exceeds by 15. This is what is understood from the statement. And the sum of these two numbers is 95. It's a very simple equation. X added to x will be 2x plus 15 equal to 95. When 15 is transposed to the right hand side, we get 2x as 95 minus 15, which is 80. So x will be 80 upon 2, which is 40. So one of the number is 40 and the other number is x plus 15, which is 55. This particular option is missing in the answers. So none of these is the right option for the question. Second question is a simple closed curve made up of only dash is called a polygon. The right answer is line segments. You look at this polygon. These are the line segments. They are not the curves. They are the line segments. Question number 3. Each exterior angle of a regular hexagon is of measure. So let me consider an exterior hexagon, regular hexagon, in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. If each of these angles are equal to each other, then there will be 6 angles. 6 times of the angle will be equal to the total sum of the angles. So if I consider the angle to be A, 6 times of A is equal to the total angles is given by n minus 2 into 180 degree. So 6 minus 2 into 180 degrees. So A will be equal to 4 times of 180 divided by 6. This will be 3 times. So 120 degrees is the interior angle. So interior angle plus exterior angle is 180 degree. They are supplementary, sum of these two angles. So interior angle is 120 degree plus the exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So exterior angle will be equal to 60 degrees. This is one of the method. And another method, very simple method, the alternate method is, in any polygon, sum of the exterior angle is always 360 degree. So 6 times of exterior angle is 360. So each exterior angle will be 360 divided by 6, which will be 60 degrees. So in this way also we can find exterior angle as 60 degree. Question 4. How many diagonals does have in a regular hexagon? A regular hexagon will be having 6 sides. So n value we can take it as 6. We all want a formula to find the number of diagonals. The number of diagonals is given by the formula n minus n minus 3 multiplied to n divided by 2. That is n into n minus 3 by 2. This is the formula. Now n value is 6. 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2. This will be 3 times of 3, which is 9. And this 9 is not in the given options. So none of this is the right answer for the question. Question number 5. Maximum possible exterior angle in a regular polygon is. If you consider a smallest regular polygon, it's a triangle in which 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles are present. Each of these angle measure is 60 degree. So as I mentioned, the interior angle plus the exterior angle, their sum is 180 degree. They are supplementary. Here, each exterior angle will become equal to 180 degree minus the interior angle, and we get 120 degree as the angle. So option D is the right answer. Question 6. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Whenever they give in fraction, we have to consider in terms of variable. Let two numbers be 5x and 3x. They have given difference as 18. So larger number minus the smaller number, the difference is 18. So we get 2x as 18, x will be 9. Once the value of x is obtained, we can find the numbers. 5x is 5 times 9, which is 45, and 3x is 3 times 9, which is 27. So this 45 and 27 is there in option A. So the right answer is option A. Section B, which is of 2 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. The 7th question is to find the value of x. Let's simplify this equation. We need to write the variables to one side. So 5x minus 3 by 2x will be equal to negative 14, negative 7 by 2. We can take LCM. The LCM is 2. We get it as 10x minus 3x equal to negative 28, negative 7 upon 2. We can simplify at this stage by cancelling out this 2. Then 10x minus 3x is 7x, which is equal to minus 35, negative 28, negative 7. The combination gives negative 35. So the value of x is negative 35 by 7, which is negative 5. Next question. Find the perimeter of a rhombus whose diagonals are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. This is not a very new question. This was there in class 7th in one of the exercise question. Let's take a rhombus. Here, look at the diagonals. If I name this as A, B, C, D, and the point of intersection of diagonals AC and BD, BO, AC bisects BD at O perpendicularly, and BD bisects AC at O perpendicularly. I mean to say that the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. So when the diagonals bisect each other, BO and OD each will become 6 centimeter. OA and OC, it becomes 8 centimeter. BO will be equal to OD will be equal to 6 centimeter. AO will be equal to OC, it will be 8 centimeter. In triangle AOD, angle O is 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. Most of you have written a different answer. This is the right answer. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we have AD square equal to AO square plus OD square. So AD square will be equal to 8 square plus 6 square. So AD will be equal to under root 100, which is 10 centimeter. The question is to find the perimeter. All the sides of rhombus are equal, so the perimeter will be equal to 4 times side, which is 4 times of 10 centimeter, which is 40 centimeters. Question 9, which is from section C, which is of 3 marks. The question here is PQRS's parallelogram. Let me name this parallelogram as PQRS. The diagonals PR and SQ bisect at O. The length of PO is 3.5 and the length of OQ is 4.1. It is known to us that diagonals bisect each other. Since diagonals bisect each other at O, we have PO equal to OR. This will be 3.5 centimeters and QO will be equal to OS. This will be equal to 4.1 centimeter. In geometry, it is a compulsory thing that you must write the reason, and this is the reason here. Diagonals bisect each other. This reason carries marks. So the length of PR will be 2 times 3.5, which is 7 centimeter, and the length of QS is 2 times 4.1, which is 8.2 centimeter. Some of you have written direct answer 7 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter in your last marks. We look at only the reason, then we see how we have solved it. Question 10. ABCD is a rhombus in which AO is 4 centimeter, BO is 3 centimeter. What is the length of the side of the rhombus? Let me take the rhombus here. Let me name the rhombus as ABCD. And the diagonals intersect at O. The length of AO is 4 centimeter. The length of BO is 3 centimeter. Since diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly, we have angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we have AO square plus OB square equal to AB square. This implies AB square is 4 square plus 3 square. This will become 25. So the length of AB is root 25, which is 5 centimeters. So each of the side is found as 5 centimeter. Most of you have done this working, but you have not mentioned Pythagoras theorem, and you have also not mentioned diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. This statement and the reason is compulsory thing to write. Last question. The altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of the corresponding base if the altitude of the triangle is increased by 4 centimeter and the base is decreased by 2 centimeter, the area of the triangle will remain same. Find base and altitude. If I consider the base to be b and the altitude becomes 5/3 times of b, we all know that area of triangle is half into base into height. Here, area of original triangle will be equal to area of new triangle. This original triangle will be having base as b and the altitude is 5/3 times of b, and the new triangle will be having base b minus 2 because it is decreased by 2 centimeter multiplied to the altitude 5/3 b plus 4 because it is increased by 4 centimeter. So let's simplify. This becomes 5/6 times of b square equal to 5/6 times of b square. I am multiplying this plus 4/2 is 2. B is multiplied to this will become 2b minus 5/3 times b minus 4. Here 5/6 times of b square, they get cancelled. On transposing we get positive 4 equal to 2b minus 5/3b. On taking LCM, this becomes 6. 6 minus 5 will be 1. So 6b minus 5b/3. We get the value of b as 12. So this is the base and the height will be 5/3 times of 12. 5 multiplied to 4 is 20. So the altitude is 20 centimeter and the base is 12 centimeter. Therefore, base is 12 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. This completes the question paper. In the next session, we shall continue dealing with construction. That's all for today's session. Thank you.